How to uninstall the Orbot app from your Android device. So first, go ahead and open the settings. Here, you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it and type in apps. Then tap on the first option. Then you'll see an option called Manage Apps, which is right below System App Settings. Tap on it. Then you'll again see a search bar. Go ahead and type in Orbot. Here, you'll see three options on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on the uninstall button and confirm by tapping on OK. And now Orbot has been successfully uninstalled from your device. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys later.